Here's how to use iCloud storage instead of your phone storage. Now, if your phone is running out of space, you can always use iCloud to take up some of that gigabyte, some of that data from your phone and just store it on the cloud instead. So to do that, let's hop into settings and we're going to check a couple of things. One is we can scroll down and tap on general, and then we're going to tap on this iPhone storage. You want to check to see what is taking up so much space on your phone because some things you can offload to the iCloud. You can switch them from your phone to iCloud, and some things you just can't. So if there are a bunch of apps that are taking up data, those are limited in your ability to move them over to the iCloud because you need the app on your phone to be able to run it. So you can see photos, TikTok, Snapchat, Reddit. I would go through here and delete out anything that you don't necessarily use. It's nice that it says last used. If it was maybe 6 months ago since you last used it, I would just delete it and reinstall it if you need it down the road. Now that we've done that, let's go back and back again, and we'll tap on your name at the very top. Now we'll tap on iCloud here, and then you can see apps using iCloud. This is the key. We're going to hit show all here, and on all of these, we want to toggle all of them on. So you can see photos is on iCloud Drive, passwords, messages, health, contacts, all of this stuff. I recommend toggling it on so that basically what it can do is bring all of that data from your phone and store it on your iCloud. Keep in mind, your iPhone is smart in that it won't necessarily store everything if your phone isn't running out of space. So you can't basically choose to say, hey, store all of my photos on the iCloud and none of them on my iPhone. Basically, your iPhone will decide at the very top here if you have enough space on your iCloud, and if you're running out of space on your phone itself, it will start to dump all of that stuff into the iCloud instead of on your phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.